Okay, let's see how fast we can make this video to replace the master window switch on an XB 04 to 06. This is an 05 model. They're all the same. We got two screws. Screw here in the pocket, screw here. Take the pocket out. Take the little triangle in the corner, see if you can see it. Little triangle. Pop it out. Easiest way to grab the door panel, the front corner. There's a gap right here. You pull it. You pop it up. It's out. Now all you need to do is take off this one plug. You can see it. The plug. Pull this out. Done. 3 screws to take this baby off. 1, 2, 3. Put the door panel back on. So pull this all the way down till it clicks. If it's out, hold on to the bundle, makes it easier. Slide it in, goes right in. Door panel goes up and over. Hit them back in. Put the triangle back on. Top part goes in. Slide down the bottom. Flip it in. 2 screws. Done. Everything's working. That's it. That's how fast you can replace master door switch. You can get this door switch for like 20 bucks on Amazon or even less. Sometimes there's discounts. I'll put the link down in the description.